Hi everyone. In the last class, we discussed about operators, variables, and data types. In this session, we'll try to discuss about some basic examples with JavaScript. Right? We already know the structure of JavaScript program. So let us see some small programs. Open the Notepad, and you can write the JavaScript programs in Notepad. Yes or no? So here you can see how to write the program. Let us see here. First of all, open HTML tag, right? And here you can close the HTML tag. And within this, here you can open the header tag, and here you can close header tag. Is it clear? Always it is recommended to write the JavaScript program inside the header tag. So whenever you want to write JavaScript program, you have to write inside the script. Type is equal to text slash JavaScript. Is it clear? And here you can close the script tag, script. And whenever you want to store any data, we have to declare some variable. The variable can be declared by using var keyword. So here let us see, we'll write a small program to declare the first name and last name and display the full name. So here I will declare one variable where f name is equal to, I'll try to give some name Satya, and here I'll try to declare one more variable where L name is equal to, here I'll try to give the name as technologies, and here I want to display the full name where full name is equal to f name plus L name. And we already discussed the rules to declare the variable. Left hand is equal to is called as assignment operator. Left hand side of assignment operator consider as variable. Right hand side of assignment operator consider as value. Okay na? And one variable we can store only one value. Now I want to print the output. In order to print the output in JavaScript, you can use document.write. Document.write of I want to print the full name. So here initially what happened here, the memory is allocated for f name. Memory is allocated for f name. Memory is allocated in RAM only, because browser also, it is also a software. Within the browser also some code will get executed. JavaScript code, HTML code will execute on browser only. So here three variables now. Here three memories are allocated. So what is the value that is stored in first name? I have stored Satya. Last name I have stored technologies. So plus operator is called as concatenation operation. It will perform addition operation between numbers and concatenation operation between strings. So Satya plus technologies, the output will be Satya technologies. So it will be displayed in the browser. Now the following, here you can save the output, save the program, Control S, go to your desktop, and there you can you see one folder with name HTML Satya, and there you can save the program. I will save the program as full name.html. As you are directly writing JavaScript code inside HTML, you have to save the program inside HTML only. So here you can see, go to your desktop. Go to your desktop, there you can see HTML Satya folder. You can open that folder. There you can see full name. Open that one, you will get the output as Satya Technologies. That is the program to display the full name based on first name and last name. Simple programs you can write by using JavaScript. Are you following everyone? So here let us see some other programs also. Okay, here let us see some other programs. Okay, this is the program to display the full name. Let us see one more program here. I want to display the I want to write a program to display total marks. To display total marks of three subjects. Total marks of three subjects. Is it clear? Consider the marks are 70, 80 and 90. So I want to display the total marks. So in order to write the program, first of all, we have to store three values, three marks we have to store. So declare three variables. So here what to do, open HTML tag, and here you can close HTML tag. And here you can open header tag, as well as here you can close the header tag. Just we are practicing the JavaScript programs. Later we will see how HTML will communicate with JavaScript. Here you can open script. Type is equal to text slash JavaScript. Text slash JavaScript. And here you can close the script tag. Basic programs these all are. So declare one variable where Here you can see what are the values are given. Marks 1, 70 I will take one variable. Another variable M2 I will give 80. Another variable M3 I will give 90. Now I want to calculate the total. I want to calculate the total marks. So 1 minute you wait. Here you see I have declared 3 subject marks, M1, M2 and M3. Now in order to calculate the total, you have to add what? All the 3 marks. Total is equal to M1 plus M2 plus M3. Add all the 3 subject marks and store the result in the total. Okay na? So I want to print the, and I want to calculate the percentage, where percentage is equal to total by 3. Percentage means total by 3 subject marks. Are you following? Here I calculate the total and calculate the percentage. So if you want to print the output, you can write document.writeoff. Document.writeoff, I want to print the total, but I want to print the total in big font. So open H1 tag, plus here you can write total, plus here you can close the H1 tag. Is it clear? String plus string plus string is string. If you want to attach any HTML tags to JavaScript code, you can write the HTML code inside the double quotes. That is string. Plus string plus string is string. Now also it will also perform as concatenation operation. Did you understand everyone? And here I'll try to close the script tag. Okay. And I want to print the percentage also. Here I'll try to print percentage. I'll try to print percentage. So any data type plus string is string only. Is it clear? String plus string is string. So here in any languages, plus operator will perform. Plus operator is called as overloaded operator. It will perform addition operation between numbers and concatenation operation between what? Characters. So string plus string is string. Int plus string is string. So I'll try to save this program. The name of the program I'll give total.html. Total.html. Here you can see something like this is your total. Where is that one? This is your program. Open the program. You can see the output. Total is 240. Percentage is 80. You ask me, sir, I want the output like total is what to do. Here you can write after H1. Again you write here what? Total is. Here you can write like this. Total is plus total. See, this is one string. This is one string plus this is another string. Plus string plus string is string. Plus this is integer. String plus int is string. And here also I want to print concatenation operation. Percentage is plus per, something like this. Save the program and here you can open the program. Did you understood? Here HTML Satya is there. Open this program and check the output. Total is 240, percentage is 80. But this is static program. Static programming, how many times you write the program, the output will be same. That is, read the values from runtime. Like this, you can do some basic programs in JavaScript. Are you following, everyone? Let us see one more program here. Always try to understand the requirement. Then you can easily write the programs. So what is my requirement? Let us assume I'll do one more program. Consider basic salary of an employee is 20,000. And here I will write 20% of basic salary is DA. And here I will write 40% of basic salary is HRA. And sum of basic salary DA HRA is total salary. Is it clear? So display the, did you understand? Display basic salary, comma DA, comma HRA, comma total salary, something like this. Okay, now let us consider that we are developing an application for a particular company where the basic salary of the employee is 20,000. 20% of basic salary is DA. 20% means you can simply tell 20 into 20,000 by 100. That is, you can simply tell 20% means 20 by 100. That is 0.2. 0.2 only, no? 20% means 0 cancel, something like 2 by 10 means 0.2. 40% means 0.4. So how to write this program? Declare one variable where basic salary is equal to 20,000. And here you can calculate what? DA. Basic salary is 20,000. And then here you can calculate what? DA. Are you following? How to calculate DA? Where DA is equal to 0.2 into basic salary. It will give you DA means dearest allowance. HRA means house rental allowance. Where HRA is equal to 0.4 into basic salary. In JavaScript, you can directly declare the variable by using where keyword. Depending on the result, the data type is decided. It is a loosely typed language. No predefined data types like int, float, double string. Other languages you have. Similarly, where total salary is equal to basic salary plus DA plus HRA. And I want to print the basic salary. How to print? Document.write of. Here I want to print in big font, something like open H1. Is it clear? Plus here you can close the H1 tag. Okay na? In middle you can write something like basic salary is plus bsal, that is int. Here you see this is a string. H1 is string plus bsal is string plus string is string, plus this bsal is int, string plus int is string. Okay na? And again after this plus again this double quotes H1, close the H1, printing the basic salary, printing the DA, HRA, total salary. Here you can see. Here I want to print DA, dearest allowance is, and here I want to print HRA is, and here I want to print total salary. Just basic logics. By using operators, we can perform some calculations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, comparison. All these basic programs you can do with the help of this logics. If you want to write, you can write the logics by using these operators only. Are you following? So JavaScript beautiness is JavaScript will execute on where? Browser. JavaScript code will execute on browser. If you want to write 20 by 100 into basic cell, you can write no problem, but you have to follow the proper brackets. 20 into basic cell. You can write like this: 20 into basic cell by 100. Both are same. Or 0.4 into basic cell. 40% means you can write simply 40 into basic cell. Just it depends on your brackets. How you arrange the brackets, the calculation also will be done in that manner. If you want to write 40 by 100, 40 by 100 keep in bracket. Into B cell keep outside. Anyway, you'll get the same result. Here you can see the output of this program. Let us see. Basic salary is 20,000, DA is 4,000, HRE is 8,000, total salary is 32,000. See, some people are telling like this, sir, I will write like this, what will happen? You can write like this: 20 by 100 into basic cell. Still you will get the same output. Or here you can write 40 by 100 into basic cell. Is it clear? Into basic cell. Still you will get the same output. Press F5. Same output you got. Okay na? It depends on the BODMAS formulas, as I already discussed in the last class. Always whenever we solve an expression, first priority given to brackets. Second priority multiplication, division, modulus, equal priority. Third priority addition, subtraction. Fourth priority equal, assignment operator. Like that you can perform the operations. Like this you can work with the basic programs in Java.